Happy World Plant Milk Day, everyone. Here at Country Life Natural Foods, we have an awesome plant milk powder. It's all organic. If you ever tried Better Than Milk, it's a little bit different in that it's mainly coconut milk and oat milk based, but it's super easy to make and taste super good. So let's make some here right now. So really all you do, you can measure it out too, but I just like to sort of eyeball it. You put some plant milk powder in, and then at Country Life we also sell this really good mixer that makes it super easy to make. So you just put it on, make sure you put it the right way is the key, but you put it on and you can just mix it up, and you can have a delicious all organic milk. You can make it home, and here at Country Life we also make world-class granola, in case you didn't know. And so here I have our maple pecan granola, one of my personal favorites. We bake it right here at Country Life Natural Foods. And you just take your plant milk powder, and what I like to do is I like to sort of, you try some, you can taste how it turns out. You just pour it right on your granola, and voila, you have a wonderful, super tasty breakfast. And you can get this right at our website, countrylifefoods.com. It's our plant milk powder. We make it right here in-house, and it's all organic, so super good. So I encourage you to try it out. And this Plant Milk Day, we don't need to be drinking what is meant for baby cows when we could drink stuff that's meant for us humans, which is plants. So check out our plant milk powder and